What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Taj, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are test driving a 2016 BMW X1 Gran Coupe. And I just want to go ahead and give a quick shout out to Exhaust Addicts. My YouTube has been jumping, Instagram has been jumping, everything has been jumping. I can't keep up, but I appreciate all the love to my new subscribers, my current subscribers, everybody that has been there with me from day one. We're gonna keep this ship rocking. We are on the way to 500 subs. And like I said, I can't thank y'all enough. But go ahead and leave a like under this video. Go ahead and leave a comment for me, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for those of you that are new. We're gonna take this thing on a test drive, see how you like it. I gotta be honest, not one of my favorites, but hey, I'm not gonna give a biased opinion. Like I said, I'm test driving the car, so you guys either one, won't have to do it, or you already know what it's like and can have an idea of something that you do like. So thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, thank you for stopping by. Let's go ahead and hit this test drive. All right, guys, 2016 BMW XI Gran Coupe. I gotta admit, I'm not feeling this one so far. Kind of funky looking, but I think it's just more technology related than what I'm used to, for sure. Drive smooth. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of this car in a minute. So far it handles nice. We'll go through the functions of everything here in a second. Like a Mustang though. Now all of y'all know that I drive a Charger. This is very different, as it should be, but it is very different. Alright, so as you see straight in front of me, you have your mileage, miles per hour. Put this in park, you have to hit the unlock button. You got reverse, neutral, and drive. And then you can just hit park it for you. It still shows in the back, but this thing has so much that you have to like try to figure out. As I did notice, there's no buttons for your unlock. It's all on the key fob, which is kind of weird. Paddle shifters, let's see what your modes are. Oh, so it goes through your modes even on there. I really hope y'all can see that, but this is for your radio. So if you look right here, let me check the camera, make sure y'all can see that. Yeah, you can see it. I think you can anyway. You got your radio and all of that right here. What is this? So you got cruise control, volume, your turn signals. So like most cars like mine, when you hit your turn signal and you hold it down, it pretty much holds until you turn. However, this one you just hit and it flicks back. You hit it up, stops it. Let's see, what's your mode button do? All right, so you got mode, FM. So this just controls all of your music. Cool. Let's see what we got here. So this is kind of weird. Let's go back. So in order to control this, you've got tel, which is telephone. You got navigation, brings up your map, radio, and back to music. What are your options, dude? So as you see, I'm just turning this and it slides up and down, left and right. Okay, so let's see what we got. I wish there was like a home button, just take you to everything. Okay, so you do have a sport mode here. Sport-oriented drivetrain and chassis settings. I'm sorry. Let's see. Comfort mode, Eco Pro, efficiency. Oh, Sport Plus. There we go. Oh, it cuts your traction off. So Sport Plus cuts your traction off. Spotted for, what did it say? Dynamic traction control activated. Guess you say you can just have free will. Sports car, you know. So we're gonna do a walk around of this car. You have Harman Kardon speakers, which is the best in my opinion. All right, so cut this off and do a walk around, show you guys what I'm looking at. All right, so like I said, 2016 BMW 428 XI Gran Coupe, wanting 30 for it. Get you guys a look under the hood. That's stupid. But yeah, twin power turbo. Not a bad looking car in my opinion. Can you do the trunk from here? Plenty of trunk space for sure. We'll come around on the passenger side and get a passenger side view. And to get the hood open, you do have to pull up on the lever twice just because it is a safety issue. So the hood itself just doesn't fly open while you're driving. And like I said, if you have something that has Sport Plus, which is your dual track mode, this is off alignment. But your Sport Plus for track mode, you know, it's probably why. I gotta admit, it's okay. Not one of my favorites. I noticed when I was at the pedals, like right now I'm wearing boots. When you're at the pedals, it's kind of, they're really close. They're really close together. So, you know. But we'll drive it around for a minute and bring it back. All right, so you already know, we'll put this thing in sport. Like I said, you gotta hit your unlock to put it into gear. Boom. So we'll see, yeah. So your Sport Plus, I don't know. I mean, it feels a bit firmer. Handling feels very firm, actually. It's definitely wanting to go. It's almost like, honestly, it kind of feels like I'm in manual mode. But I mean, it's a smooth ride nonetheless. Just not for me. I bet you put an exhaust on this thing, sound beautiful. does is feels like it wants to go. So we'll hit this and then we'll double back. So you got Sport Plus, then your regular Sport mode. Definitely feel a difference already. That's weird. This one feels more jumpy than the Sport Plus. I don't know, it'll take some getting used to, but like I said, it's not really for me. But if y'all are enjoying the video, go ahead and give it a like, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for me. And we'll put it in comfort mode. But this is probably, truthfully, gonna be it for this video. It's not much to this one. Kind of feels, I don't know. I personally don't like it, but I am giving a fair review. And the only reason I say that is because it's so much smaller. Like I said, I'm used to dropping Chargers and everything, so, you know. But I definitely still want to be fair. So, like I said, if you guys found this video useful, please give it a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about them. Let me know your experiences on if you've driven them before or what you're thinking about. As far as what you like about it, what you don't like, you know, just kind of different takes on it. So I'm not, you know, I'm doing my best to not be biased or anything like that, but it's definitely a car that you'll have to get some, you have to get used to. That's what I meant. It'll take some getting used to. So, like I said, this is your 2016 BMW X1 Gran Coupe. Beautiful car for sure. Just not for me, but hey, I will bring y'all more content here soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by, tuning in. Hit that subscribe button for me. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video.